You don't have to think, how do I be super salesy on this? Hey, like let's say I'm going to talk with Chris tomorrow, okay? Chris bought a private with me. I'm just going to tell you guys right now, here's the first thing that's going to be said in the private with Chris. Hey Chris, man, great to see you. What's the most important thing we need to accomplish over this hour? Like, I'm giving you guys permission to talk to other people like real people. What's the most important thing we need to accomplish over this hour? Right? If I was cold calling Chris and Chris was a consultant, hey Chris, Matt Easton, founder at Easton University, you and I are connected on LinkedIn. Hey, I work with a lot of consultants through our sales coaching business, and there's something that everybody that's working with companies that are going to Europe is having to deal with. Nobody's talking about it. I know you're doing business in Japan. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of what's going on with Europe and see if it's applicable to your side there in Japan. I'm on my mobile. 720-660-3202. And then when Chris calls me back, I'm not going to give him a sales pitch, right? I'm not going to, well, talk to me about what's going on in your world. I'm going to deliver the gosh darn insight first. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you want to double, triple, quadruple your closing right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm going to cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.